Alright, this is a daily chart of Google. In this video, I'm going to be talking about Google, LMT, TSO, Apple. What do these stocks have in common? Well, you want to stick around. I want to show you some proof you can check for yourself on my stream. These are common picks in a few select group. And we're going to go to my Power Trigger Trade here. You can also go to Twitter here. Clicking this link, and you can see for yourself. LMT, I posted now on July the 8th. You can go down, scroll down July the 8th, for example, and you can find anything I post. If I have reposted, you can find it by simply scrolling. So, for example, LMT, this was posted on July the 8th, right? And I explained, and this one it was at 190, by the way. I explained the calls to buy, and these have done even better, and also the buy point. And this was correct. You can press pause, read it, check it out, because I got to go quick for the video. Back to let's go back to the stream. That's LMT. Let's take a look at Google. Actually, TSO is another one, June 28th. This went way above my targets, but again, in a small selection, you're going to see, and you can just see for yourself by scrolling down. But TSO is a great winner. This actually, this was when it was at 85. We entered. The enter was in the 87, 87 and a half. This was easy to enter at that time when it confirmed. When the date confirmed, you can check the charts. And these were the targets. Now this went just like Google and everything else, way above my targets. So this is something big. You want to follow my stream, because you're going to see we're going to be seeing a lot more. Now, TIFF, for example, these are stocks that didn't trigger, so they don't count. Remember, they have to trigger to be a trade. Google L, you can check. BA, eBay. Even though it did work out, I did not stay in this stock at all. Apple, recently I made well, you can't see the well, I'll have to go to my Twitter stream, because what happened was somehow they got deleted, but I did post it. The Apple, the July the 14th, I talked about an earnings run, and here's the chart, and you can read that. Press pause. Let's go back to the Google here. So in these few examples, if you take a look at, remember, you'll see other stocks, but they have to trigger. The key in my system is stocks have to trigger. This is very powerful information. You want to look at my stream. You've hit gold if you're listen to this video. Become a follower, and basically just, you don't have to take the trades, but what I recommend people do is watch. Exactly read my instructions, okay? Because trading isn't easy, but my win rate is through the roof, and this is while the market was going crazy. TSO was caught during the bad times. I mean, and not only, some traders they talk about winning trades, but my trades are like, when they work like a Mack truck, most of the time. A DE was another trade. Let's go to DE. Now, the point is that the trigger trades. Now, when they don't trigger, we don't get in the trade. TSLA, you can check that one out. DE. These are all winning trades. CellG, I didn't stay into this one, but this was a huge winner. LVS was a small winner. I exit this for a small profit. Anyways, you can take a look at the CABI short that worked out. It's just the win rate is very high, and it's all documented on my stream, and these are all posted before the trades. Google, this was a monster mover, and if you look at my plan, the Google plan, go back to the regular. Go back to the regular plan, Google. Remember, see, for example, SCTY play. Now, this didn't trigger, see, people. So the key is you got to read. it's the ones that trigger. And if you notice, it's a small selection of stock picks. Yeah. AMGN is another one that triggered. It's a small selection of stock picks, but you're going to see a consistent winning. A lot of pros put out 20 picks a day. Let's see how good they are on their top 6, on their top 7. If you look at my stream carefully, I'm batting 80%. And the winners just outpace the small losers by a margin of 9-1. There hasn't been a loser. And this is in this tough market conditions. Costco here, this one is in a bit of a loss, but it's still there's nothing wrong with the trade. It's just that the entry point, the timing was a mistake on my part, not by my system, by miscalculation. But regardless, if you take a look at that, I mean, what's the big deal? All the picks are winners. V never triggered. I was wrong with this because I thought this would go down. It never triggered, so it doesn't count as a trade. That's what I want you to understand. Take a look for yourself. Let's go to the Google chart. Yeah. All these, like I promised, Google, Apple, LMT, these are all trades that were discussed in detail with a plan on my stream before the move within a small selection of picks. Thanks for listening. Like the video.